Hi, Tertius Base here. I wanted to explain a little bit about the sports products and how they can benefit you. Now, if you only use the sports product, you will get a very good result through that. But if you want to double your performance and your ability for your body to be better repaired and prepared for any run, it is important to go on the next product that I'm going to explain quickly. There are different products in this range with different price categories, and according to what your budget is, I can recommend products for that. The most important thing about your body is that your body needs to identify with anything that you eat or drink, to identify if it's a good protein or is it an intruder cell. Now, everything in your body boils down to your cells that work together to support your body. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a little drawing to explain the concept. If these circles represent cells in your body, you have trillions of tentacles on the cells, and the function of these tentacles are to communicate with one another. Okay? Each one has a different message that it sends out, and you also need to have a receiver on the other side. They are like transceivers, sending messages and receiving messages. So whenever there's something bad entering your body that wants to cause damage, whether it's toxins, whether it's chemicals, whether it's synthetic stuff that you get in, whether it's an injury, whether it's a virus or bacteria, your cells now need to identify what this is and then send a message to the other cells in the body to say, hey, we've got an intruder cell over here. Send some cells to come out, fight and destroy this. The problem that we have in our body, and there was a study, I've done videos on that, on the cells in your body called glycobiology, where science discovered that for these cells to function at its optimal best, they need 8 basic nutrients called glycans or glyconutrients. Now, the function of these glyconutrients is to make sure that the communication in these cells are proper and that they have enough and the right tentacles to identify an intruder cell. Now, what happens if you don't have it? Your body might see a good protein, which your body needs as an intruder cell, and an intruder cell as a good protein, and that will destroy your cells. So if the communication is not proper in your body, doesn't matter what you use, what you eat, what you drink, you will not have the right effect. So the basis is, with these products, there's no silver bullet approach. The sports product will give you a good boost, but your body needs to be harmonized. The cells need to work together. The sad reality is that in our normal diets, we only get 2 out of the 8 needed glyconutrients in our body. So a lot of these tentacles aren't present, and that's why our bodies can't function properly. And the body is designed, created to heal itself, to repair itself, if it gets the right nutrients. The body is a miracle. So we need to build that immune system up. Reasons why we don't get this is because of modern farming techniques, pesticides that's used on fruit and veg, because these nutrients come from fruits and veg 48 hours before the fruit, or the last 48 hours when the fruit ripen on the plant. So we know our fruit are being picked too early. It's been treated to have a long shelf life, toxins in the atmosphere, and a lot of things that influence it why we don't get it. So we need to supplement on that. Okay? The products that I suggest have 10 of these glyconutrients, which give your body an adequate advantage over anything else. So the question you might have, and I know I'm talking to a lot of athletes that do get sponsorships from other sports products. What I would suggest is use these things because they totally are in a different class. They are scientifically validated. It's not salespeople that put some stuff together. There are independent scientific validation on that. You can have a look at links and find out for yourself. So the standards are really the best standards out there. So if you want to use other stuff because you get it for free, I would suggest at least get one of these products where you have the glyconutrients. So even then, if you drink a soft drink that most people do on the long run, you will have a much better benefit from that. You will also find by using products like these that your cramping will start to disappear. Your fatigue will start to disappear because your body functions better. So these are a couple of questions that I just wanted to answer about the sports range. The best option is to go for both. But definitely this will give you an advantage over anything and anybody if your body can function at its optimum best. Give me a call if you need more information on how to obtain that. As I say, there are different products that you can use, and I'll gladly assist you in that.